Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing another plant therapy order with you guys. Partnered with them this year to work with them once each month on a different topic, and we've used plant therapy for years, probably going on 6 or 7 years at this point, but it is just a company that we've trusted and used for so long. So a partnership with them is a no-brainer. So we have a 6-year-old Aussie Doodle. And whenever we get packages, she thinks they're all for her and she tries to open them. So I had 2 boxes that I had brought in and then ran out the door that she got into. Once she gets into them and realizes they're not for her, she stops, but my box looks like this right now. So this is the first thing. Oh, also I have a link and code to shop Plant Therapy down below. We love them because they are a well-known and trusted brand. They are fully transparent. I just had a question on Instagram the other day. Why doesn't Plant Therapy share their GCMS reports, and why aren't they as transparent as other brands? And they are. It just might be a little bit harder to find, which I could find it pretty easily. But if you have problems ever finding those types of things that I talk about with these brands, let me know, because we only use the essential oil companies that are well established, have been around for a while, have the highest quality and good prices. All of those things, it's a little bit hard to come by, especially with some brands on Amazon or just some of the more expensive brands. Is like you don't have to pay those prices. So this is a perfect brand. There's a handful that we use, but anyways, that is my spiel on that. But here are just some fun home products. This is a lavender rosemary foaming hand soap refill. Also really into this right now. We just got a refillery in our town, and I really love that you can just go and refill products. So I could take this in when it's out and refill it there. But just this being a refill instead of a single use product, it feels like recycled packaging too. I'm not sure if it is, but this is the foaming hand soap. I'm gonna assume this smells amazing. Lavender rosemary is a great blend. It's so fresh. My whole life smelled like that. I would be like happy forever. Next, because this goes with that, we have the foaming soap bottle. So this is what you're going to refill that stuff. So with our essential oil powered foaming hand soaps and enjoy fresh clean hands, we only use these and I usually make my own hand soap with their essential oils and Castile soap, but I also love using this just pre-made once in a while as well. Very excited about this. This is a cute bottle and I like the little silicone bottom on it. Foaming hand soap is super easy to make, and you have no reason to be using single-use plastic, especially for soaps. Ditch all the Bath and Body Works stuff. This is where it's at. So that is an amber glass bottle. Then we have been using wool dryer balls in place of dryer sheets since the beginning of our natural home journey. We started with laundry and cleaning supplies when we first made the switch. I wanted to do just non-toxic and natural things in our home. Once we started having kids, and these I've used ever since. I've not used dryer sheets or fabric softener traditional since. I sometimes will use vinegar in the rinse cycle to oven clothes, but this does the trick. So this is a 6-pack that they have on their website. It's in a cute little bag too that you can hang. I can't wait to make our laundry room cute in this house. We just moved a couple of months ago, and I went from having just a brand new, well-functioning laundry room to a dungeon laundry room, and it's not cute and it's creepy, and so I can't wait to make it cute. But I will put these down there, and this is just a 6-pack of these balls, and you just throw, I have a little bit bigger ones and I usually throw 2 or 3 in each load, but you could do honestly as many as you want, whatever works for you. But 6 in a pack there. I have a pack of sparkling laundry blends. I've gotten this before. So this I love to use for laundry on the dryer balls. You can add a few drops to the dryer ball before you throw it in. Now I will note, because a lot of people don't know this, but essential oils have flash point, which means they can spark if, I don't know, they get hot enough, I guess, right? So the dryer gets super hot, so make sure you're Googling flash point of whatever essential oil you're putting in your dryer. And that's just to err on the side of caution. You don't hear about that happening every day, obviously, but it's something to be aware of. These are blends made specifically for laundry. So also, in addition to just adding them to your dryer ball, you can make I make my own laundry soap with Castile soap, and I add essential oil to it for scent. So these are what I typically use. This one is sparkling grapefruit. This is a little 3-pack, but this one's grapefruit, and this one has, where's the list? So lavender, lime, grapefruit, and spearmint. And I have a whole video on using essential oils with laundry too on my channel. You can just search for that. So directions, excuse me. In the washer, add a few drops to liquid unscented detergent, which is what we do, or you can add 3 to 4 drops to a wool dryer ball. Use a second ball to press into the ball and toss into the dryer, or if a stronger scent is desired, add 3 to 4 drops to a wool dryer ball during the last 10 minutes of the cool down cycle. So that, I guess, makes it last a little bit longer, but these smell amazing. They're just fresh. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. You can make other things with these too. You don't have to use these for laundry, but they are just made for that because these are scents typically people gravitate towards. This one is sparkling lavender. This one is lemon, lavender, patchouli, lavandin to make it extra lavendery. And then what was the last one? Vanilla fruit. That's really good. That's like a creamy vanilla, if that is even a descriptive way to say it. That smells really good. And then this one is peppermint, rosemary, clary sage, and linalool isolate. Oh my goodness. This one's super fresh. Definitely more of an uplifting scent. So it's kind of just your mood. We got the citrus, the calming, and the uplifting, depending on what you want to do, or mix and match even. Next is Germ Fighter Multi-Surface Cleaner. So this is a 2-pack, which is really cool. Again, single-use plastic is not something that, it's something that we try to avoid. Excuse me. So these are glass bottles. So you can, when you're done with these, peel them off, reuse them, make a diffuser blend, make anything really. These are nice sized bottles. Pour entire contents of one 30 ml concentrate bottle into a clean, empty 16-ounce spray bottle. Fill the rest with water, shake well. So this is just a cleaning concentrate. This is primarily what we use to clean everything in our home, from kitchen to the bathroom to just dusting to glass. Also use this on that. And then they also have a glass spray bottle. How cute is this packaging too? They rebranded somewhat recently, and it's just so clean and cute. I love it. So again, oh, this looks just like, oh my goodness, it looks like this bottle. So it goes, if you want to sit this out on your counter, that would look cool or nice sitting out and together. So you dump one of these in here, filled to the top with water, and you have your multi-purpose cleaner. And ingredients for this, if you are curious: water, caprylyl glucoside, decyl glucoside, tetrasodium glutamate, citric acid. I'm gonna list them. It is 4 ingredients and then essential oils. So it's blood orange, eucalyptus, frankincense, lemon, cinnamon, clove, rosemary, sodium benzoate, and potassium sorbate, and glycerin. So I will list that out too, but it smells really good. These essential oils are really powerful in fighting different germs and whatnot. You could probably even find, even maybe if you look on Etsy too, different spray bottles. So you can maybe use a little bathroom refresher spray. I'm thinking to reuse these 30 ml bottles, but there's that. Making something, a little gift for someone. But that is it. I am going to be sharing these products. There will be a blog post coming soon with different ways that we incorporate cleaner, natural products. It's just really important to us, especially having kids and pets, to use things that if they get into, or an accident or a spill happens, we don't have to panic. All right, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what questions you have about plant therapy. The link and coupon code will be down below. I hope you have a great day. Bye.